everyone, and welcome to another Learning Through Fun quizzes about you. This test what you learned on the About You lesson. Let's begin. Number one, About You is a special structure that we use to talk about A. The immediate past, B. The immediate future, C. The immediate present. Answer is letter B. About you is a special structure that we use to talk about the immediate future. Number two, Jamie said, I'm about to watch a movie if you want to join me. He plans to watch it A. Sometime soon, B. Later that day, C. Very soon. Answer is letter C. Jamie said, I'm about to watch a movie if you want to join me. He plans to watch it very soon. Number three, chose the correct form of the verb be. We blank about to have dinner. A to be, B are, C is. Answer is letter B. Chose the correct form of the verb be. We are about to have dinner. Number four, which is correct? I'm about to blank Joe. Do you want to speak to him? A. Call. B. Calling. C. Will call. Answer is letter A. Which is correct? I'm about to call Joe. Do you want to speak to him? Number five, my flight's about to depart. So I'd better A. Get my bags packed. B. Get to the airport. C. Get on board. Answer is letter C. My flight's about to depart, so I'd better get on board. Number six. If someone says, my sister's about to start a new job, it most likely means she's starting A. In a few days, B. In a few weeks, C. In a few months. Answer is letter A. If someone says, my sister's about to start a new job, it most likely means she's starting in a few days. Number seven, Maria is 9 months pregnant, so she blank about to have her baby. A must have been, B mustn't be, C must be. Answer is letter C. Maria is 9 months pregnant, so she must be about to have her baby. Number eight, chose the option that makes the most sense. We are blank. Go home now. We're having too much fun. A. Not about to. B. Just about to. C. Almost about to. Answer is letter A. Chose the option that makes the most sense. We're not about to go home now. We're having too much fun. Number nine, I'm a happily married man, so I'm blank. Start dating other women, I promise. A. About you. B. Not about you. C. Just about you. Answer is letter B. I'm a happily married man, so I'm not about to start dating other women, I promise. Number 10. It happens a lot. I'm blank. Call mom when she calls me first. She says it's telepathy. A. Not about you. B. Just about to. C. About to just. Answer is letter B. It happens a lot. I'm just about to call mom. When she calls me first, she says it's telepathy. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this video about you quiz. Thanks for watching. And if you've enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to English Tutor Hub official channel for more content like this. Bye and see you next time.